Hello, and welcome to my channel. In one of the previous video, we had discussed regarding mkdir command, where we had created a directory tree using various options of mkdir command. If you have missed those videos on Linux file system and related commands, please check the description box for the links. Here we will check one more way of creating multiple directories using mkdir command. For example, mkdir a1, a2, a3, in curly braces. This command will create a 1, a 2, and a 3 directory in the current directory. We can even create these directories under a parent directory using option P. mkdir -p dir 1 / a1 b1 c1 in curly braces. When we run this command, we will get these multiple directories created at once. Here, we need to understand that this is not a feature of mkdir command. It is the feature of the shell that executes this command. This is called brace expansion, and only few shells such as bash, ksh, zsh, and the C shell support it. Brace expansion is used to generate arbitrary strings. Usually it's used to generate mass arguments for a command that follow a specific naming scheme. The specified strings are used to generate all possible combinations. As it is the feature of the shell, it can be used with many commands, not only with mkdir command. Initially, we have bash shell as our login shell. We can check this using echo $shell. To get the list of shells available in the system, we can run the following command: cat/etc/shells. Shells file has all the shell entries in it. And cat command will list the file contents on the terminal. Using chsh command, we can change the shell by giving /bin/dash as the path of the new shell. We will have -shell as our login shell. Let's check this on system. Here we have logged in into -shell. We can check this using the command echo $shell. This will display the current shell, which is dash. Let's check the current directory contents using ls command. Here, we can see these are the directories that are present in this directory. Let's create of directories a1, a2, a3 in curly brace using mkdir command. We can check these directories in the current directory. Here we can see it is created in this form, as -shell does not support brace expansion. Now let us go back to the bash shell. Let's get the shell path using the file shells in etc. directory. /bin/bash is the path. Now, change the directory to bash using chsh command. Here we need to enter the password and the new shell path. In our case it is /bin/bash. Now we will exit and log out from the system and log in again so that we will get our new shell as our login shell. Now, here we are in our new shell. Let's check this using shell variable. We are now in bash shell. Let's check the directory contents. Here is the directory created in -shell. Let us run the same command to create multiple directory in bash shell. mkdir a1, a2, a3 in curly braces. Here, we can see the newly created directories. Whereas, this same command gave us this output in -shell. By this we can say that this is the brace expansion property supported by the shell, not by the command mkdir. As most of the system which we use have bash shell as the login shell, so this feature works. Brace expansion is a feature of the shell, and it can be used with many more commands. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to my channel for further video update notifications. If you have liked this video, please do click like button. Please put your doubts and suggestion in the comment box below. Please find the links to previous video in the description box. Thank you.